Stop modeling the wrong way like this. Instead, go to monstermash.zone, import template image, and just draw the silhouette of our capybara. Draw legs and ears as separate shapes. Double-click on the legs and ears to duplicate them on the other side. Click on Inflate. Now we get textured mesh. Just export it as a DLTF file, import our capybara, and fix defects.